Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video I will be teaching you something very important if you happen to be a beginner trader. So if you've ever placed a trade as a beginner trader and then price goes to your stop loss and later goes in your direction, please, you need to search YouTube. Okay, you need to go onto YouTube and just search for a particular topic. I'll talk about the topic. Okay, so I'll tell you the topic you need to go and study. Go and study liquidity. All right, there are so many videos about liquidity. I have some videos about liquidity also. Just go and master liquidity. There is no other problem. You don't have any other problem. Once market goes to your stop loss and then turns around and moves in your direction, just know that you were used as liquidity. That's just the case. Okay, so if you can't spot where the liquidity is, then you are going to be the liquidity. All right, so you need to be able to spot liquidity levels, and you can only do this if you've actually mastered the topic of liquidity. Okay, so that's the knowledge I need you to go and get. Okay, so basically that's just what I have for you. This is going to be a very short video. I just felt I should just let you know that particular stuff. Okay, aside from that, something else I also want to talk about is the fact that as a beginner trader there are some kind of issues you are going to have. All right, I'll talk about them here. Now, one of those issues is reinforcement of bad habits. Okay, reinforcement of bad habits. All right, so there are some bad habits that you are not supposed to have as a forex trader. Okay, and those bad habits is it has to do with taking some kind of trades. And the problem with this industry is you can do something wrong and get a right result, and that is going to do what? That's going to reinforce the bad habits. Maybe there's something you did that you're not supposed to do. If you enter a trade, let's say let me talk about this liquidity issue. So let's say you entered a trade without trying to spot where the liquidity is. It's none of your business. You just go ahead with your strategy and just execute anyhow. You can execute in an anyhow manner and still make profits. So by the time you make profits, you won't feel the need to change anything. All right, because you're already making profits, even with the bad habit of entering a trade without properly understanding where liquidity levels are and all that. So this is going to reinforce that bad habit, and you're going to do it again and again and again until you now start losing from it. It is when you start losing from it back to back, that's when you now know that something is wrong. Okay, so definitely you would have your share of beginner's luck. There are some kind of things you would do that you are not supposed to do as a professional trader or as an experienced trader. Those things you're not supposed to do them, but you will learn with time. Okay, you are going to learn to do things the right way with time. That is if you don't give up, if you don't quit. Okay, but while you're still coming up, just know that there are some things you will do that will play out for you. That does not mean those things are right. Okay, for example, entering a trade without understanding where the liquidity levels are, you can do it and come out with profits, but it is not sustainable. Over time you would see that you enter a trade, price goes directly to your stop loss because price is going towards liquidity level, and since you did not consider where those levels are, you are going to be part of the liquidity. Okay, they will sweep you or run through your position. Okay, so please go and do that research on liquidity. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you today. If you got any value from this particular video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.